Front-end development has become a highly demanded profession, given the growing need for web and mobile applications. With more than 8,200 applications launched daily on platforms like the App Store or Google Play, in addition to millions of applications created each year, this certification opens the doors to a limitless field. What is a front-end professional and what do they do? A front-end developer builds the user interface of websites and applications, like the ones you see in banks or social networks. They are responsible for the part of the software that users interact with daily. What job opportunities does a front-end have? Front-end developers start earning around $2,500 as a junior in Latin America, with the potential to easily grow to $3,000 with experience or up to $110,000 annually in international markets like the United States. Works in various sectors such as banking, healthcare, education, or software factories. What will you learn in the VLA certification? From scratch, you will learn to master in-demand languages and frameworks like JavaScript, React, Vue, Angular, and also how to use platforms like GitHub. This course is ideal for starting in programming. What is it like to study at VLA? At VLA, our priority is that you learn to work. You will create real projects that will prepare you for your job interview or for your entrepreneurship. We offer free and unlimited tutoring and assistance in job searching through our VLA agency. Jobs, focusing deeply on the success and well-being of our students. See you in the virtual classroom.